So imagine there are two types of audiences here, Category A and Category B. Category A audiences like watching fact videos, while Category B audiences like watching AI shorts. Now, let's say you created an AI shorts video and YouTube recommends your video to a facts-based audience. Now tell me, Ennies, will they click on your video? Absolutely not, because bro, if I like watching movies, I'm going to watch movies, right? I'm not going to watch cartoon videos, but this is exactly what YouTube does to you. Your video doesn't reach the right audience. It reaches the wrong audience. And that's the reason why your videos don't get views. Because, bro, if the audience itself is wrong, how are your shorts supposed to get views? And then you start thinking, bro, my content is good. I did the SEO correctly. The video editing is also good. Then why am I not getting views? And you get demotivated. But the reality is, the mistake isn't YouTube's. The mistake is yours, because you don't even know the correct way to upload shorts. But the biggest question is, how do you fix this? And in today's video, I'm going to tell you exactly how to do it. And this is the same method I use to make all my shorts videos go viral. So stay with me from the beginning to the end of this video, because I'm going to explain everything step by step. So, let's start the video. Now we have three options for uploading shorts: YouTube Studio, Chrome, and YouTube. And if we talk about the best option out of these, I would prefer YouTube, because I feel that when you upload shorts through YouTube, they get pushed into the shorts feed. And for the rest of the SEO, like adding the description and text, I use YouTube Studio. But if you're thinking that your shorts will go viral just because you uploaded them through YouTube, you're wrong, because the most important part of the video is still left. So, let me now tell you the correct way to upload it. First, you need to open the YouTube app. After that, click on the plus icon. Then, select your video. And after selecting the video, you'll see this music option. After tapping on it, you'll see the top music tracks here, and you can use them. These are trending. After that, click on Next. Now comes the time to add the title and thumbnail. Both of these play a major role in making a video go viral. So let's first talk about the title. It should create curiosity, be unpredictable, easy to understand, and have some suspense. And make sure the title matches the content inside your video. And if there's any scene from your video that creates curiosity, you should use that as your thumbnail. And the main point is, there should be a keyword related to your video's topic in the title. Like, if I make a video about funny cricket moments, I might write something like, Cricket Unseen Funny Moments, Insane Funny Moments of Cricket, Top 5 Funny Moments. These titles immediately create an impact. Now it's time for the thumbnail. If you simply upload your video and leave it like that, YouTube will automatically choose a random thumbnail, which usually isn't very special. That's why, while uploading the video, you can tap on the pencil icon and select the best scene from your source video. And yes, you can also create your own thumbnail and add it. So after completing all of this, creators still make one mistake that they shouldn't make. And that is, they publish their shorts immediately. Because when you upload a video and immediately make it public, YouTube doesn't get enough time to send your video to the right audience. And that's why your video doesn't reach the right audience. And the correct way to do this is to upload your video as unlisted. Then, after 1 or 2 hours of uploading it, make it public. So after doing all of this, if you're still thinking that your shorts will go viral, wait. Only 50% of the work is complete, and 50% is still left. Because to make shorts go viral, having high audience retention is important. But before that, let's talk about SEO. In SEO, you need to work on your description and tags. If you have an old channel and your content is good, then these things don't matter that much. So, at the very top of your description, copy and paste your video's title. After that, write a short summary of the video and paste it there. Look, I personally want to tell you something. If I have to write the description, text, or title for a short video, I use VidIQ and ChatGPT, so you can also use them to easily generate titles, descriptions, and text for your videos. After doing all of this, your video is completely ready to be uploaded.